With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A ray of light is sent along the line which passes through the point 2, 3. The ray is reflected from the point P on x-axis. If the reflected ray passes through the point 6, 4, then coordinates of P are. So let's draw the figure to have a clear view of the question, what is being asked. So we have given this line. A ray of light is sent along the line which passes through point 2, 3. That means if it is a point 2, 3, then it is reflected from the P point on x-axis. This is your x-axis. That means the ray is coming in this direction and it will reflect through this point, right? And we have given that the point is P, and since this is on x-axis, it will have a coordinates of a and 0, right? Because we don't know the y-axis, and y-axis will also be 0 here. So we will have a0 as the point of intersection of the incident light and the reflected light. Now we know that according to the laws of reflection, that the angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection with respect to the normal, right? If this is the normal, if this is your normal, then angle I and angle R will be equal. We can write here I and R are equal. And if we assume that the angle made by the reflected line with the x-axis is theta, if this is theta, then this will also be theta, right? So we can find out the angle made by the incident ray with x-axis as, if this is theta, then this will be 180 minus theta, right? So this angle will be 180 minus theta. So angle of incident ray is pi minus theta, right? And angle of reflected ray is theta with respect to x-axis, right? So we know that these two lines are passing through 2 points. The first one is 2 and the second one is 6, 4, right? Now we will find out the intersection point. We have to find this point P on these two lines are being intersecting. So we will find out the slope of first line, right? So we know that slope has a formula, m is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? So this is for the incident ray. We will write here for incident ray, right? So for incident ray, slope of this line will be y2 minus y1. x1, y1 and y2, x2, y2 are the points through which the line is passing by. So here line is passing through 2, 0, 2, 3 and a0, right? 2, 3 and a0. So our y2 is 0 and y1 is 3. So 0 minus 3 upon x2 is a and x1 is 2. From here we will get minus 3 upon a minus 2. Now we will find out the slope for the reflected ray. For reflected ray, the points are 6, 4 and again a0 because this is the intersecting point, right? So from here our m2 will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equals to, y2 is 0 minus 4 upon a minus 6 is equals to m2. This will become minus 4 upon a minus 6, right? So we can say that m1 is minus 3 upon a minus 2 and m2 is minus 4 upon a minus 6. Now we know that the slope, the theta for incident ray is pi minus theta and for reflected it is theta. So m1 can also be written as tan of incident ray angle, that means pi minus theta, right? And this can be written as tan theta because the angle made by the reflected ray is theta with the x-axis. And we know that this is pi by 2, this is 0 and this is pi. So in the second quadrant, pi minus theta will lie in this quadrant, and we know that in the second quadrant our tan theta is negative, so we will have minus tan theta, right? Now we know that minus of tan theta is equals to minus 3 upon a minus 2 and tan theta is equals to minus 4 upon a minus 6. So we can just equate them. Tan theta will be equals to minus of minus, right? Minus of minus 3 upon a minus 2 is equals to, this is also equals to tan theta, so we can write here minus 4 upon a minus 6. So this will give us 3 upon a minus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon a minus 6, and cross multiplying each other will give us 3 of a minus 6 is equals to minus 4 into a minus 2, and this will give us 3a minus 18 is equals to minus 4a plus 8. Shifting all the right hand side terms to the left hand side will give us 3a plus 4a minus 18 minus 8 is equals to 0, and from here 7a will be equals to 26 and a will become 26 upon 7. So our intersection point, which was P, will now be equals to 26 upon 7 comma 0, because that point was a comma 0. That means the answer is option 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.